3D printing isn't really printing at all. The less familiar term is additive manufacturing, building an object one very thin layer at a time on a precision machine that kind of looks like a printer. Whatever you call it, 3D printing is opening a new frontier in healthcare.
What you're looking at on the screen is a CT scan.
Imagine, for instance, a day when doctors identify your medical problem with a CAT scan or MRI, and then, using 3D printing technology, treat you with a medical tool, a product, or even an entire implantable device built specifically to you and your physiology.
Now that's going to take some regulatory work, that's going to take some development work, and it's going to take some manufacturing work to get there. But those are possibilities that are real.
Teams at Medtronic are already working on the possibilities of such personalized medicine. They even envision a day when damaged human organs can be repaired with tissue or replaced altogether with new organs created on 3D printers.
There are universities that are doing basic work on that right now, proving that you can use 3D printing technologies, creating these tissue-friendly structures that they embed with stem cells to get the results they want.
Some of those ideas may take years to develop, but 3D printing is already making an impact. 7 3D printers run non-stop at Medtronic, filling orders for what's known as rapid prototyping. If a doctor or scientist or engineer comes up with an idea for a new surgical tool, a prototype can be built in a matter of hours for further research. R&D work that used to take a few months, now done in a couple of days.
Learn fast, create different iterations of those tools such that we can arrive at what the final product is in a much more rapid fashion.
In just 1 year, Medtronic estimates up to 9 years of R&D testing time was saved by 3D printing. Ultimately, that means innovation and improvements get to patients much faster.
The amount of knowledge that we're exposed to now doubles every year for the world knowledge base, right? And so accelerating innovation so that we can stay ahead of the curve is half the battle.
Medtronic is also building models of various human anatomies, so product designers can figure out how to improve the way their devices deploy and operate inside the body. Other 3D projects allow doctors to practice procedures on lifelike models, so they're better prepared when it's time to perform the real surgery.
Being able to experience that and actually see and feel and know how that's done can be an incredibly important learning tool.
What comes next may be limited only by our imagination.
The rate of change of the technology is just mind-boggling.
And it might get here faster than we ever thought possible.